I got 2 canoe
Oh,
paddles.
okay, here we are. The maiden voyage of the PA 9657.
Hello.
On our way to the lake.
I ought to get my canoe paddle.
Mm-hmm. Okay, we're coming to the lake.
Oh, there it is in the background.
Quite a few people out there. Oh, fishing. There she goes. I'm taking a video.
I'd rather do that. I'll pull it off.
Just take the rope and I'll push it. Don't ding it.
Okay.
Okay.
Still floating! Yay!
And then be
Well,
careful
give
you
it a
don't ding the bottom. Okay. Okay. The proud papa.
You sound surprised.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yes, it does.
Floats like a cork.
Wow. Come on.
Hold it.
Okay. Okay. Am I coming in? Okay, I'm doing the widescreen projection, so we're gonna put this on your
That's the
TV.
wrong way. We gotta go this way.
Oh, you're doing good, Jim. I can tell.
Aren't you supposed to cross your arms?
No.
This could take a while. The thing is, we make
You can do it.
it.
Yes, that's the stroke. Turn it on a dime,
We're just gonna go around in circles.
but now we can go forward. Nope, I'm good. Oh, do you think anybody's watching us?
Wrong way.
I think we need an oar adjustment. Yeah, so think.
Like Jaws.
It is a beautiful day on the lake. Jim, what you need to do is say, okay, we're going to try going to the left a little bit. Try going to the right a little bit. So everybody thinks that you're going where you intend to go. I know it. I hate those oars. I'm going to take a video of the oars so everybody knows that it's not really your fault. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I think I got the idea.
Besides, that's an awesome picture right there.
Then you just
There you go. That looks good.
It's the two part.
Cork.
really
coordination.
gets you down. If I have some gum, though, I really. Got the rhythm.
Thumb and oar at the same time. Oh,
And you get a little deeper,
yeah.
a little deeper with the oar.
Your arms are going to be tired tomorrow, too.
Okay. Oh, that was pretty easy. Actually, you could both sit there in each row, one paddle.
Yeah.
That would be comical.
You're right, it would. See us do?
Do not stand up in the boat. And now I'll pull with that one, and I'll spin you right around in the circle. Isn't that pretty cool? I don't know. If we had a sail, we wouldn't need the oars. Okay, now pull on both of them. There you go. Yep. You're doing good, Marcia. Plus, you look a lot better doing it than Jim does. Maybe those guys were the ones that were back in that cove there. We could go back in there now.
You're supposed to go someplace living. You're supposed to know where you're going. So, I want to go this way.
I'm probably going to have to edit my video considerably. I get talking and I get distracted.
I was doing the same thing.
Well, at least
You'll see the sky, you'll see the bottom of the boat.
We got about 8 inches back there.
we'll have
8 inches of up on the transom. Oh. I don't think we had that much when Marcia was sitting there.
all right here.
I'm learning. Be patient.
That's okay.